Hi, my name is Daniel from Vocal Booth to Go and welcome in today's video. I already told you that our portable acoustic booth VoMo is great for travel and you can record with it almost anywhere. But in today's video I will test it. I will take the VoMo on the small hill behind the city. You can't ride with the car up to the hill, you have to walk few kilometers by yourself. But that would be no issue because of the compact dimensions of the VoMo. So let's go! So I'm in the place. Maybe as you can hear it's quite windy here, and VoMo was built in a few minutes and everything is ready to record. So let's go! So I'm in the booth right now and I will record short sentence from the book, just for example. The mare flattened her ears against her skull and snorted. Throwing up earth with her hoofs, she didn't want to go. Geralt didn't calm her with the sign. He jumped from the saddle and threw the reins over the horse's head. He no longer had his old sword in its lizard skin shelf on his back. Its place was filled with a shining, beautiful weapon with cruciform and slender, well-weighted hilt, ending in a spherical pommel made of white metal. This time the gate didn't open for him. It was already open, just as he left it. Now I will read the same extract, but outside the booth. The mare flattened her ears against her skull and snorted, throwing up the earth with her hoofs. She didn't want to go. Geralt didn't calm her with the sign. He jumped from the saddle and threw the reins over the horse's head. He no longer had his old sword in its lizard skin shelf on his back. Its place was filled with shining, beautiful weapon with cruciform and slender, well-weighted hilt, ending in a spherical pommel, made of white metal. This time the gate didn't open for him. It was already open, just as he left it. We are back in the studio and as you could hear, you can record with VoMo almost everywhere. If you want to see VoMo and much more, look at Vocal Booth to Go EU. Thank you for watching, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye!